Hello everyone, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can reset privacy password in Realme phone. So that's a very simple and basic thing to do. You will just need to launch settings first, then enter the password and security category. Then over here you'll find the dedicated separate designated privacy password section, so that's obviously what you will need to go for next. In here, in order to enter this page, you will need to enter your current privacy password. From here, go for the change password option, enter your current password, then enter a new one. And well, that would be pretty much it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.